The fan is going so that the exhaust doesn't kill me in here. Let's give this a go. Alright, we're down at the factory, and as you can see behind me, the lift is occupied, so we've already got the car up on jack stands, and we're going to be slamming some coilovers in. Now, the wheels that are on this car are just on it because I haven't sold them yet, and they're going to help me get the height right. The wheels that will be going on it, the ones that you've seen me repaint, are at the tyre shop getting the tyres fitted up. But for now, we'll lower the car. We'll also be painting the brake calipers and the brake rotors, and after that we'll get stuck into installing a new steering wheel and some racing seats, a short shifter, and a stereo. Alright, I reckon we can go about another 20 mil, pretty much all round. I'll just check with this ruler. Some are 20, some are 22, some are 17. So we'll just get the distance from the guard to the lip of the rim the same all the way around. Might keep this edge a bit higher because by the time I sit in the car, it'll drop down. So here we have the factory AE92 shifter and a factory AE112, or that generation, 111, 110. Now we're going to pull these both apart and just take the shifter from the newer one, put it in the older housing, and that is going to be a factory short shifter for us.
Bye.